Hey guys, what's happening? How to sync Fitbit with GoogleFit. To sync Fitbit with GoogleFit, use Health Connect as the bridge, right? Install Health Connect, Fitbit in GoogleFit apps on your Android, then enable syncing in Fitbit settings. So we're gonna open up Fitbit app, right? And we're gonna just hit the syncing at the top left. Okay, and we're gonna sync a device obviously, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna select the type of watches or smart trackers you use. Okay, once you enable syncing in Fitbit settings to write data to Health Connect, and finally enabling it in Google Fit. So we're gonna go ahead eventually to Google Fit after doing all that and turn on syncing. So I'm gonna hit turn on right here, right? And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn the switch on to connect Google Fit with Health, right? Make sure you use the same account in order to transfer your data and sync your Fitbit with Google Fit. Okay. Finally, once you enabling it in Google Fit, read data from Health Connect. Allow all data permissions for a full sync. They will ask you obviously if you have or if they have a permission to sync all your data. Understanding Fitbit only sends data to Health Connect, not reads from Google Fit. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.